Hey friends, if you wish to reset Notepad to default settings on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for Notepad in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane. Okay, now scroll down and you will find this option to reset, but before that terminate the Notepad process. Now click on reset and then click on reset once again. Wait. Now when you get a tick mark, then open Notepad once again, okay, and see what happens. If anything was written here, I mean if there was any text here, you would not find it when you reopen it. Earlier, prior to the latest updates, Notepad used to reset itself whenever you would restart it, but that's not the case now. The text from the previous session remains there and the settings that were changed remain there because a lot of new functions have been added. So this is how you can reset Notepad now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.